Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this MBA podcast. This is going to be really special. I have one of my students with me. Her name is Shruti and she has been placed at Morgan Stanley, by the way, from Wellinger. यार I was really surprised and it was a pleasant surprise कि यार Wellinger से Morgan Stanley आप चले गए. By the way, she is a semi-qualified chartered accountant. इसकी प्रोफाइल काफी फाड़ है. 10th में 90 प्लस, 12th में 95 प्लस. लोगों का घट जाता है, आपका बढ़ गया. And she has worked. What are the companies you worked with earlier?
I had a small gig with EY and
EY.
then I moved to Deloitte USI.
अच्छा ठीक है. So EY के साथ she worked and she worked with Deloitte also. Great. So my first question, after having such a great academics, great profile, great recruiters on the resume, and you're a semi-qualified chartered accountant, what made you to take a decision कि यार I'll join Wellinger for finance? Apart from me telling you.
Okay, so what happens when you're in the CA journey,
हाँ.
so the CA journey has been, the hampering one. Like you clear finals, you don't clear finals, so you are on
Right.
a restart every
Roller
6
coaster.
months.
Right. Right.
So that's what happened with me also. So I was juggling with work, I was juggling with CA finals, and apparently I chose, okay, I need a shift and I had to complete my academics once and for all. So I took a career break. And then I thought of, okay, let's scan the colleges, let's scan the exams I'm left with. So that's how I started filling up the forms. That's how Wellinger got into my list, and boom, I'm here.
Perfect.
So,
Do you see students on the campus? And this is going to be a very straightforward question. Do you see students on the campus with same sort of a profile, like chartered accountant कोई है, semi qualified कोई है, Deloitte, EY, PwC के साथ काम करके आए हैं? Do you see that kind of a crowd here?
yes, I do.
Okay.
I do actually do. There
Okay.
are few people like whom I have catch up with, and they have the similar profile. And they need a career break, career change. So yeah.
Right. So she has been placed as an intern. She's got a summer internship in Morgan Stanley, and there are a lot of people. They are always worried कि यार finance के लिए ना बहुत कम colleges है market में, गिने चुने colleges है market में. But I think Wellinger is one of that rising sort of a college जहाँ पे आप consider कर सकते हो if you want to do MBA in finance. Would you agree on that?
Yes.
Perfect.
For sure.
My next question would be, how is finance been taught at Wellinger? You know, concept wise हो गया, faculty wise हो गया, assignment wise हो गया. Do you feel that rigor? Do you feel that?
Yeah, actually, this time, like in the first year, they start just from the basics. Like they tell you, like when you start with accounts, so it's just from the start, like the basic rules, the basics, the debit entry thing. So even who are not from the commerce background, so they can even understand, like, okay, how the things move, how the books of accounts are made.
For them, it will be overwhelming. For somebody like you, just semi-qualified, she will be like, "What am I doing? Debit and credit. We have done that in 11th standard."
Yeah, but they are, on the lectures also, like I realized, okay, this was something I was missing conceptually, or this was this was the one point, okay, I in my journey I left that behind. So yes, this is something I should remember. Yeah. So
Okay.
I realized that I learned new things.
Okay. Also, when we talk about finance, let me know, do you guys have anything wherein you have been given an opportunity to work on real case studies or real problems that are companies facing in the market? Do you get those kind of projects here?
Yes, we do. Actually, we have in the first year we have a GCL. It is called
GCL.
Global Citizen Leadership Program here.
Okay.
Where we get a real life problem from the industry, from the client itself, and the company comes here, tell us the real life problem statement, like what they are facing currently, and then we as a consultant or as a team we work on them, and we present our cases there. So that's how
fair. So again, so those who are watching this video, right, it's very important whenever you select a B school, right, you'll get summer internship, no doubt about that. You'll get final internship. I mean, that's fair. But for me, the best thing is that if you are getting in a B school and if they're giving you live project opportunities wherein you actually sit down with the real problem of companies and solve it, I think that is the fantastic thing. So do you get to present it to the company eventually?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so that's called as GCL, by the way.
GCL.
Okay. My another question to you would be, there are a lot of semi-qualified CAs in the market and they definitely want to do an MBA, right? Wellinger is known for sales and marketing a lot, मेरे ख्याल से. Would you suggest a semi-qualified CA or maybe a chartered accountant to think about Wellinger as a good option for MBA in finance?
Yes, I can guess definitely they can go
Okay.
for it because apparently your basics get brushed up a lot.
Hmm.
Then you end up, firms like Morgan or another investment
Hmm.
banks or other companies.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
naturally, maybe we don't have name as a financier here, but
Hmm. Hmm.
eventually with time it will, and we have an opportunity, a
Hmm.
real life opportunity, then
Hmm.
SIPs, then of course the final placements. So yes,
Hmm.
I mean definitely why not go for it.
Hmm. Hmm. Were you expecting, like when you were joining Wellinger, were you expecting that I would probably land in a company sort of ICICI, HDFC, or probably companies like Goldman or probably Morgan or something like that? Was it on your bucket list?
Yes, of course. Like
Okay.
that's how,
Okay.
see what happens in CAs, we usually
Hmm.
get a tax
Hmm.
profile or an audit profile. So if
Hmm.
you want to move into investment banking or a core finance thing, you have
Hmm.
to do an additional study.
Hmm. Hmm.
So MBA or CFA is what we
Hmm.
look for, and CFA when it requires a lot of investments, I would say you
Hmm.
can go for an MBA rather than that. I would
Hmm.
say like MBA would be a better option for us, like for a CA
Hmm.
or a semi-qualified, if he wants a career change from from an
Hmm.
auditing or tax
Hmm.
to a main
Right.
consulting or investment banking profile.
How does it differ when you are sitting in the classroom and you have studied the same stuff for the chartered accountancy and now you're studying it for MBA? कुछ अलग होता है या फिर वो सेम लेवल पे चलता है?
Uh, when you are studying for
Hmm.
a CA, it's
Hmm.
like it's a distance learning. You sit
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
yourself. You either look for
Hmm.
videos, then
Hmm.
you do for coaching, and now
Hmm.
here you are with professors. You are actually
Hmm.
you are with people around yourself. Then you
Hmm.
have competition within yourself. So naturally, college life is always better than sitting at home, to be
Hmm.
honest, and the
Hmm.
learning is
Hmm.
always better than sitting at
Hmm.
home.
Hmm.
So yeah, so I guess college,
Hmm.
brush up your basics, then get a good profile,
Hmm.
get yourself polished, your
Perfect.
basics polished. That's how a college or in
An
fact a
MBA school can.
PGDM works for
So
an
I think
MBA.
because it's a shift because most of the chartered accountancy जो पढ़ाई होती है, it's more of that auditing taxation वाला चीज, balance sheet बना दो,
We,
cash flow बना दो.
we
MBA में you study how do you analyze it, so you get to know
exactly,
more कि यार numbers कैसे drive हो रहे हैं.
exactly.
What do you think? CA better है finance के लिए कि MBA finance better है finance के लिए?
Both.
Cool, guys. That's it from our side. Thank you so very much, Shruti, for giving some time. Again, kudos to you from Wellinger going to Morgan Stanley as a summer intern. I wish you all the very best. You made me feel proud today because she is my student. And guys, yes, Wellinger can be a very, very good choice for you if you're looking for MBA finance, right? And do like this video, do share this with your friends also, and stay tuned to Studio Mentors. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.